to make sure your content aligns to a specific learning standard? Yourway makes it easy. Let's take a look at the Standards Selector. When you complete the tool form, you can use the Standards Selector located toward the bottom of the form. Click Add Standards to open the selector. Use the drop-down menus for each section or select View All. Click Apply to view the filtered standards. You can also use the search window to further narrow your results. Select the standards you'd like to incorporate, or select all. Review your selection in the window on the right. When you're all set, click Continue. You'll have the option to remove any from your list before you generate your content. Creating standards-aligned lessons is an important part of planning. Try it yourself at yourway.app. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your colleagues.